Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put our name. Did you need one, Carolyn?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, sweetie. Here you go. Does everybody have one? Come here, Alex. I'm sorry. I thought we got everybody. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is put our name in case you lose your paper, right? And if you'll notice, it's got those same things that we have here, right? So we have land, water, air, and living things. But in between, they've got these arrows showing a connection between them, right? And on the arrows, it's got here, air and living things. So what do you think is going to go on these lines right here? Noah? What connections can we make between the air, right, and the living things? And it might be more than what we have up there, right? And if you look right here on this one, this is air and this line here is water and then this arrow here has the land and and this one is land and this one is land and. Now, we've kind of taken some notes to help us get started on this. So let's do one together. So we're going to do the air and living things. What connection was there between air and living things?
The strong winds kind of maybe has something to do with branches falling.
Strong winds. Branches falling. Does everybody agree with that? Noah?
Cold air made us cold.
The cold air made us cold like the humans? Or you want to put like all living things got cold? You think all the living things got cold? Zoe?
I think that since the air was cold,
Mm-hmm.
the plants and trees, it caused them to freeze.
Cold air caused plants and trees to freeze. Okay, Cassidy? Was that the air and the living things? I think we can get to that, but right now we're only focusing on the air and what interaction it had with living things. So would you say that the strong winds made the branches fall would go with that? I'll put a check mark by it. So we got 2 people that said that one. Okay, so what I want you to do on your own then is try to find those connections with these other sections and write down at least 2 connections for each one. And then we're going to do one big model tomorrow, a consensus model, where we try to show how these connections go together. So right now I'm going to give you the rest of the class time to finish these connections. And I'd like you to do this one on your own, and then we'll share out we'll talk about it as tables. Okay? Okay, you can get started.